Okay, guys, in the last part of this course, we're going to be talking about all things technical SEO. And what technical SEO is, it involves optimizing your website's infrastructure to improve user experience and search engine rankings. So, we're going to be talking about site speed, your website responsiveness, what core web vitals are, schema markup, sitemaps, robots.txt, crawl depth, duplicate tags, broken links, orphan pages, and more. And I know that a lot of this can sound foreign to a lot of you. And so just know that I'm going to break down each one of these topics in a future video, kind of in depth, like I have for all the previous videos. So have no fear. We are going to get through this one by one, and you'll really find that technical SEO is a lot easier than it sounds, because to be quite honest with you, it's a lot more by the book than on-page SEO or off-page SEO is. So these are things that you can do to go line by line to ensure that these things are increasing for you and your website. And so let's go ahead and dive right into site speed.